What's up, guys? I want to talk to you about like mail order stuff, like how-to videos and stuff like that. I don't know if you're like me, but I've had nothing but bad luck every time I've ever tried to get like a how-to kit out of the mail. It's not exactly what they explained it to be. Well, I had a new car, not a new car, but newer to me. And I got the car, and it needed a paint job bad. It was just like primer, and it was in rough shape. So I looked online, how to paint a car, and I get this video, Spray Paint Secrets. It's a DVD collection. And I was like, all right, it's $37. It's a money back guarantee. I'll try it. So I get it. It comes. I go out. I buy it was $200 worth of equipment. Wasn't much, and the car looks freaking awesome. I can't believe how good it came out. This guy in the video, Mario, he's like a true artist, and his like step-by-step instructions makes like the painting thing a breeze. I didn't know painting was so easy. I'm glad I didn't take it to someplace because it is simple. And my car came out so awesome. A friend of mine came over and said, "Hey, could you do some graphics for me?" So we made a little stencil. Awesome. Best $37 I ever spent. And like I said, I think it's a money back guarantee. I don't know if it's still $37, but worth the money. Mario's awesome. He actually felt like he was teaching me, and you don't get that very often with videos and stuff like that. So check it out. It's definitely worth the money. All right, thanks for watching. See you when I see you.